Wonderful families. This is Mrs. Berger. I wanted to make a quick video explaining grades and where your children can find their weekly assignments and how to submit those assignments. So just kind of some information about how to go about the week. First, everything your child needs to do needs to be done through the Launchpad. I have the website up right here. If I type it in and kind of go to it, for me, I'd have to sign in, but because they've signed into their Chromebook, it will automatically pop up for them. If not, they put in their username, which is just their lunch number, and then their password to the computer. Once they're in their Launchpad, and mine looks a little different, but it's very, very similar, they're going to go to Schoology. Schoology will open for them automatically, unfortunately not for me, because they've logged on through their Launchpad. So even though I got my little error, hopefully that will not happen to the students. Well, once we're in Schoology, which is this kind of magical place right here, they'll find their course. So they're either with me for Math 6 or for one of the pre-algebra groups. So let's just kind of go into pre-algebra for right now. So once they click on their course, there's a welcome banner that has different links that they can go to for important kind of things that we use a lot. If they want extra points for their, to improve their grade, they click on the extra points choice board. If they're wondering about their schedule, they click on the virtual expectations and schedule. If they miss class and need to check in to let me know that they're there, they're going to do the daily check-in. If they need extra help, there's a little button for extra help, which will take them to tutoring. And of course, our Zoom link, which takes us to our live sessions. The welcome banner is really information for parents. Obviously, students can explore that, but none of their coursework is in there. Really, they're going to go to the unit folder. So right now we're in Unit 1. The folder we're working in will always be green. So they click on the Unit 1 folder, and then they'll click on the week that we're in. And again, that folder will always be green for go there. So they'll click on the Week 3 folder, and then they'll have their assignment at the top. Once they open their assignment, for them, it looks a little different. There'll be a button right here that says My Documents. So they'll click on My Documents, and their Google Slide presentation will pop up. For me, mine is here, because again, it's just a little different for us. Here is their Week 3 assignment. This will make a copy to their Google Drive so that they can type into it. The first page is a weekly overview of what they're going to do that week, and then they click on the slides and they just go through and do everything that's on the slide. There'll always be a video that explains what to do, and then anything highlighted in green is graded. So the green activities have to be completed because they're graded. So for Monday, for pre-algebra, they did an escape room. And so they came here, clicked on it, it took them to an activity, and then they completed the activity and typed a code at the end. For Tuesday, they do the same thing in class. We'll have an introduction via the live Zoom. Then there's videos for them to watch. For IXLs, they have to log in through ClassLink first. So if they go back to ClassLink, IXL is in Curriculum Resources right here. So they have to log on to through ClassLink so that their name appears at the top. If their name does not appear, they will not get credit for the work that they've done. And then if there's something that's highlighted that says complete the interactive slides, those are the ones that are below. So this is just kind of a drag and drop activity that they can do. Same thing for Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. When Friday comes, they have to make sure everything highlighted in green is complete. And then there's a points slide that tells them all the things that they had to do to earn points or grades and how much each thing was worth. So this is kind of how I grade their assignment after they submit it. And I'll talk about that here in a minute. Also at the bottom of each slides are digital notes for them. So if they're kind of struggling with a concept, there's notes down here that they can review. Some of the notes have additional websites that they can go to that will explain the activities that we're doing or the concept that they're learning. So let's talk about the grading slide. Here's an example of a slide that oh no, here it is. You gotta love technology. Here's an example of a student's graded slide. So this was from week 2 from one of the pre-algebra students. Anything highlighted in green, they got full credit on, which means they completed the activity and it was at least 80% or more correct. Anything in yellow, they got 50% on, which means they either started on it and didn't finish, or they finished but got less than half correct. And anything not highlighted, the student did not complete. So green, they get the full points. Yellow, they get half points. And if it's not highlighted, they did not get any points for that scenario. Points are divided into content areas. So they get different skills will have the different point value, and then that's what goes into the grade book. So if you're ever wondering, what your student did or did not do, you go open their assignment and go to the points slide, the points assignments, and this will have a breakdown of what they earned and what they did not. Again, I grade every Sunday and Monday, and then I'll send progress reports weekly so that you know what to look for your student. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help. You can message me on Schoology, or if you go into the course banner or the course information in the welcome folder, my contact information is in here, right here. So you can email me, send me a message through Schoology, contact me any way you'd like, and I'm always happy to help. Thank you and have a great day.